So the first thing you're going to do when you have the word problem, you need to make sure you write your King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So you have your conversion chart. Then you're going to take the word problem and you're going to write it out in numerical form. So you're going to start off with what they give you, which is 640 millimeters. And then you're going to put equals how many decimeters. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look and say, where am I starting and where am I going? So anytime you have a prefix with your base unit, you're always going to look at your prefix. So this is where we're going to start, and that is the prefix for milli. If you have problems with that, check your chart on page 17. It has all of the prefixes with the symbols. Then you're going to look at where are you going. We need to go to D, which is deci, right here. So you're going to start at milli, and then you're going to go to deci. So you're going to count how many jumps does it take to go from milli to deci. 1, 2. So you're going to write 2 spaces to the left. So now that we know how many places we need to move our decimal point, you're going to rewrite the number that they give you. If there's no decimal point, you need to put the decimal point where it belongs. So when you have a whole number, your decimal point is right here to begin with. So now we need to move our decimal point 2 spaces to the left, which it says we need to do right here. Put your pencil on your decimal place and move it 2 spaces to the left. Once you move your decimal point 2 spaces to the left, your answer is now 6.40. So that means 640 millimeters is equivalent or equal to 6.40 decimeters. Now, for your chart down here, all they're asking you to do, you have 10 milligrams here. So basically they're asking you how many centigrams is in 10 milligrams, how many grams is in 10 milligrams, and how many kilograms is in 10 milligrams. So you can basically write those problems like this. 10 milligrams is equal to how many centigrams? 10 milligrams is equal to how many grams? 10 milligrams is equal to how many kilograms? When you get all of these answers, you're just going to simply put them up here in the chart where they belong. So, for example, number 7, there's 25 in the gram column. So you're basically saying 25 grams is equal to how many up here milligrams. 25 grams is equal to how many centigrams, and 25 grams is equal to how many kilograms. And go ahead and solve those the exact same way that we did up here.